Okay, think I've got, I've dropped this camera enough times so my microphone is kind of boo-barred a little bit. I gotta order one of those, and that'll be coming in soon, so hopefully we'll have better audio. But anyway, welcome back to another, we're gonna do a quick build video today. Quick break from the shadow box videos. I hope you're enjoying those. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go back a couple videos. Here's a quick sneak preview. We're saving that one. That's gonna be a cool one. Anyway, yeah, I'm rambling. Today, we're gonna build a toy chest. Just a simple toy box for a family member of mine. I don't do a ton of, projects other than shadow boxes now, just because my shop is so small and full of stuff, which, you know, if you follow the channel, you know that it gets cramped in here. But we're just gonna do a simple toy box with a little bit of engraving on the CNC. We're just gonna do the kid's name. Like I said, it's gonna be quick. It's Sunday, and I'm hoping to knock most of the build out today. And so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I can throw coats of finish on, and then basically be done by Thursday. That's the goal. We'll see if it works out. But yeah, I'm probably just gonna do a bunch of like time lapses with the GoPro. It's a simple build, so there's not a ton of explanation. I'll check in now and then, just to kind of give you an update on what I've got, if I've run into any difficult things, snags, stuff I discover. I don't know. You know what I mean. I'll just check in now and then. I think we just get right into it. We're gonna jump on the table saw, cut out, it's only what, like 6 or 7 pieces to build the box, and then we'll do some trim work, and then we'll be done. I hope you like this one. Just a nice little Sunday project. Let's do it.
Waking up dizzy in the morning. We fight a lot. Don't even know about what. I just want you to leave, darling. It's my only hope. Can't you see our time is up? I don't want to start over. Finally some peace and quiet since you left, so don't bother. This is how I feel now. I never had it so good. Had it so good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would. I feel good. I feel good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would. Waking up early in the morning. Without you by my side, yeah. Waking up early in the morning, and baby, I feel fine. I feel fine. I don't want to start over. Finally some peace and quiet since you left, so don't bother. This is how I feel now. I never had it so good. Had it so.
Alright, so we're getting there. Box itself is done. Have a look. Edge banded the top side. Came out pretty good. You know, there's a couple. I got one ding right there. I wonder if you can see it. Yeah. Unfortunate. I'll probably have to sand that out so you can't notice it. But things are somewhat square. I shouldn't say that. They're pretty dang square. Got a small table saw and not like a panel saw or anything, so this is kind of pushing the limits of what I'm capable of, but no, I'm happy with it. Next thing to do is, let's see, where's my picture? Just a minute here. Should give you an idea here. Here's a good example. I'm gonna put these on here. This is the, I guess you'd call them the legs. It's kind of a skirt situation there. That's gonna be next. I've got some maple up in my wood loft storage thingy, whatever you wanna call it. So that's gonna go on the bottom, right along there. And my top, sitting over there. There she is. I've got it so when I rip this piece in half, I'll have 3 inches on the bottom, and my scrap is gonna go on the top. It's 1.5 inches. So anyway, I'll edge band the top with the remainder of the skirt. And then we just need hinges, and I've got to engrave the top with the CNC machine. I'm trying to think if I'm gonna do that now or once I've got the edge banding on there. That's still up in the air, we'll see. I don't know if it's gonna make a huge difference. More than likely I'll do it once the edge banding's on there so I can get a coat of polyacrylic on the top, and I think I'm gonna paint the letters black. Go back and forth with that, but for this particular setup, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Kind of a nice modern look. So yeah, let's rip some maple and start on the skirt. Skirt's done. I did the top here with the remaining 2 inches of that board, like I said. A couple gaps, but it's pretty much par for the course. It's big for the shop. I need to throw a coat of finish on here. This is all sanded and ready for finish, and I'm just using polyacrylic. I go with satin on pretty much everything I do just because I like the look. I'll dilute it 30 to 40% and then just kind of drench this thing for the first coat. Sand in between coats. I'll probably put 3 to 5 on this. I'm going to do 2 and then I'll engrave that top piece so I can flood the letters with black paint, and you'll see that. But yeah, polyacrylic it is. Just going on with a brush. See you on the other side. Okay, so home stretch basically. This thing has received 4 coats of water-based poly, like I said. The only thing I've got to do now is I'm going to attach the hinge, or attach the top using some hinges. And I also picked up a soft close dampener, whatever you want to call it. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. I hope to see you again. And like I said, this is just kind of a quick video, a nice quick simple build. If you got questions, leave them in the comments. If you want plans, leave them in the comments. All that other good stuff, like, subscribe, blah, blah, blah. And we'll see you next time.